Hey everybody, I'm back with another update of what's happening here in Southern Utah, and today I'm here at Utah Tech University where we get a glimpse at the new look Greater Zion Stadium. The improvements to the stadium are not only going to impact the fan experience at games, but also the player experience, which is a huge part of being a Division I sports program. It's also going to help bring in other types of events like concerts, which I'm really excited for. Today we get to interview Ken Beazer, who is the new athletic director. He's going to give us a rundown of what we can expect from the stadium as it's set to open this fall. Look forward to showing you, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm here at the 50-yard line of Greater Zion Stadium with the new athletic director, Ken Beazer, just this year. How's it been so far?
It's been crazy, but kind of what I expected. It's been really good though. It's been exciting, actually.
It's awesome. Well, I appreciate you having us here. I know there's a lot of exciting things happening with the football stadium. I've been coming here since I was just a little kid, and it's fun to see this new grand stadium. It's awesome.
Yeah, it is. It's really exciting. And as we were planning this stadium, we thought it was going to be one of the epicenters of hosting events here in Southern Utah. And truly, it's going to provide a fan experience that is unlike anything, south of LaVell Edwards Stadium.
For sure.
It's exciting to have.
Yeah, I know, for the fans and also the players, right? Because I know we'll get into the D1 stuff, but the facilities for players has to be top-notch these days.
It does. You know, you look at it, facilities, when it comes to recruiting, is one of the top things listed. It's facilities and traditions of an institution is why they choose that institution.
For sure.
And I think this really puts us in that game now to where we can play the facilities.
For sure. So talking about the stadium, we'll start with level 1, which is a lot of the player facilities, right?
Right.
Give us just a brief breakdown of that.
It's the locker room, it's the lounge area, it's for the coaches, and it's really built to gear today's student athlete. You know, they come in. Back when I was playing, you didn't want to hang out in the locker room.
Yeah.
But nowadays, they want to hang out in the locker room, so we provide those amenities for them. It's really a nice atmosphere for them. But it also has a training aspect in it too, where, you know, the sports medicine. But what people really don't realize is that one of the most exciting components is a loading dock in an equipment room. As you can imagine, football has so much equipment coming and going in uniforms, but now we have a place to store, receive, store, and distribute stuff. That's the first floor. It's really kind of a functional type of thing for the student athletes. Very cool.
And along with that, people can sponsor the locker room, right?
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about the locker room sponsorship.
Yeah, this is kind of exciting for us. The lockers, we have people from the community for $1,900 and
$37, right?
$1,937. Yeah, that's it's significance. That's when we started football here at the university.
That's cool.
So you can sponsor a locker, get your name on the locker, and that will be your locker that the team will use, and they'll see that every day before they go out to practice and before a game.
It's awesome. Very cool. Now going up to the upper deck, which is the exciting fan experience, right? There will be now a higher level of hospitality and fan experience. Tell us about the upper deck.
Yeah, again, this is something we've never been able to provide for the fans. So we talk about the student athlete experience. Well, here's the fan experience. On the 4th level is our entertainment section. I mean, you have suites, full-on suites, you have low seating, and you have club seating as well. But there's a hospitality area that can be used to really give the fans that added level of experience with an NCAA Division I game.
Yeah.
And it's also going to be available for the community to lease out and rent out for some of the events that they have. You got a great view looking to the west here, and it's really going to be fun. But yeah, level 4 is our hospitality and game area.
And then level 5 is the press box, coaching.
Yeah, that's more functional. It's more of a functional level. That's it's a game management level where the scoreboard, the game direction goes on up there. The visiting athletic directors, the coaches, the radio, television broadcast. That's going to be that area right there. So it's kind of a working press area.
Very cool. So lastly, Division I. I'm a big sports fan, so I know what that means. I know it's a huge accomplishment for the university. What is the vision going forward with Division I?
Well, first, you're exactly right. It's a statement about where the university has been and where it's come from to achieve Division I status. And what that means for the institution is more regional and national coverage. With the ESPN Plus packages we're going to be doing there, it's really going to get the institution and the community out there on a broader scale. But it's the level of competition we're bringing in here right now. I mean, as I tell people, in all sports but football. You know, football is the FCS level, but in all other sports, we're vying for the same trophies at North Carolina, BYU, Utah. It's that same level, and that's the expectation that we have to be competitive. You're going to see some teams coming in here that you only used to read about in the newspaper, and we're going to be playing some schools that you only dreamed about playing. And so it's going to, here again, the student athlete experience, but also the fan engagement is going to be really heightened by this Division I move.
Yeah. No, I love it. It's awesome. Love to see it all. So appreciate all you're doing. Thank you so much for having us again.
Oh, thank you so
look
much.
forward to seeing the completion of this thing.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it as well.
Thanks, Ken.
All right, thank you.
And that's a wrap, guys. As you can see, really cool stuff happening here at Greater Zion Stadium. Looking forward to seeing it completed. For more info on what's happening here in Southern Utah, you can call me or text me, 435-668-7293, or find me on Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram. Thanks, guys.